Good
Good
morning,
morning,
everyone.
ma'am.
Morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So let's begin with 8C. 8C, what was going in your classes?
Ma'am, reading of the
Which was all about to be completed, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. 8B, what's going on in your class?
Ma'am, we have completed the chapter and question answer.
We have
Yes,
completed
ma'am.
the chapter
Yes,
and
ma'am.
question answers. Okay. And 8A?
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
have
done
also
with
completed.
question answers.
Ma'am, we have also complete the chapter and question.
Okay. Answers of social reformers as well, no? 8A and B?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है then. अभी 8C तो काफी पीछे चल रहा है फिर. All the question answers are completed, all the chapter is completed, full-fledged.
Yes.
Okay, now we have to start with the next chapter then.
Ma'am, next
Chapter 8.
chapter.
हाँ जी, chapter 8.
8 chapter of history.
8 chapter is left only now. 8C में, but we haven't completed chapter 7 only. Let me see how it's to be done.
Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग. कैसे करें, क्या किया जाए? तुम लोग भी पढ़ लो चैप्टर दोबारा, साथ में स्टार्ट कर देंगे फिर नया चैप्टर. यही कर सकते हैं शायद, क्योंकि 8C का भी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है. किसी के डाउट्स होंगे वो भी क्लियर हो जाएंगे, या फिर नया चैप्टर स्टार्ट कर लें. काम पूरा हो गया सबका? एवरीबॉडीज वर्क इज कंप्लीटेड फॉर श्योर.
Yes, ma'am.
It's A and B.
Yes, ma'am.
अनुकल्प का तो
Complete
नहीं हुआ है काम.
Good
गर्व
morning,
अग्रवाल,
ma'am.
काम पूरा हो चुका है. आरुषि, गर्व, the ones who have
Ma'am, थोड़ा.
completed your question, who have completed their work, all the question answers, can raise your hands. The ones whose all work is completed of history, raise your hands please. Naman, अभी तक तो सिर्फ नमन.
But
पंच.
not left, but like that sound is completed.
What?
Number only one long answer is
So that is not a completed work. Put your hand down. So only two of you people have completed. Now the rest will complete their work in this lecture. And for I'll be teaching 8C. I'll be discussing the question answer with
Good
them as
morning,
well.
ma'am.
जिनका काम पूरा नहीं है, I request them to please complete their work in this lecture. Okay? Because from tomorrow onwards I'm gonna start the new chapter. ठीक है? चलो. कौन पढ़ेगा? इरम, लेट्स यू रीड. कहाँ तक पढ़ा तुमने लास्ट पेज से?
Ma'am, may I read?
Yes, please read.
Okay, ma'am.
I think we have to start from Sri Narayan Guru.
Ma'am, what?
We have to start from Sri Narayan Guru.
No, ma'am. Ruqayya Sakhawat Hussain.
Okay. Chalo.
Ruqayya Sakhawat Hussain was a prolific writer and a social worker in undivided Bengal in the early 20th century. She is the most famous for her efforts on behalf of gender equality and other social issues. She established the first school aimed primarily at Muslim girls, which still exists today. Begum Ruqayya was an inspiring figure who contributed much to the struggle to liberate women from the bondage of social malices. Ma'am, what are malices?
Social evils.
Okay. To raise popular consciousness, especially among women, she wrote a number of articles, stories, and novels, mostly in Bengali. Begum Ruqayya used humor, irony, and satire to focus attention on the injustice faced by Bengali speaking Muslim women. She criticized oppressive social customs forced upon women, what were based upon a corrupted version of Islam, asserting that women fulfilling their potential as human beings could best display the glory of Allah. Begum Ruqayya Hussain wrote courageously against restrictions on women in order to promote their emancipation, which she believed would come about by breaking the gender division of labor.
Okay, so if you talk about Ruqayya Shekhawat Hussain, she was a very important, prolific, and an excellent writer and a social worker in undivided Bengal in the early 20th century. When we talk about undivided Bengals, we are talking about the time when Bengal was not divided, okay, into east and west. Then they're saying that she is the most famous for her efforts in gender equality. मतलब उन्होंने बहुत efforts किए gender equality को लाने के लिए एंड बाकी social issues पे भी उन्होंने अपनी पहले स्कूल खोला जहाँ पे उन्होंने सिर्फ मुस्लिम गर्ल्स के लिए खोला जहाँ पे वो जाके पढ़ पाए जो आज भी एग्जिस्ट करता है एंड शी वॉज एन इंस्पायरिंग फिगर who contributed much to the struggle to liberate women from the bondage of social malices, राइट, जिसमें वो अपनी जो भी दिक्कत है उनसे बाहर निकल के आ पाए. women should also get the equality which they deserve, जो उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स है वो खत्म हो पाए, राइट. एंड उन्होंने बहुत सारे आर्टिकल्स लिखे, स्टोरीज लिखी, नॉवेल्स लिखी जो कि ज्यादातर बंगाली में होते थे. बेगम रुकैया ने ह्यूमर का यूज किया, आयरनी का यूज किया, सटायर का यूज किया, जैसे कि वो जो इनजस्टिस बंगाली स्पीकिंग वुमेन फेस कर रही थी, मुस्लिम वुमेन, उनको दुनिया के सामने रख पाए. ठीक है, डायरेक्टली रखते तो शायद लोग क्रिटिसाइज करते, तो उन्होंने क्रिटिसाइज करने के लिए अलग तरीके ढूंढे, राइट. So, and she also was oppressive social customs forced upon women, जो कि करप्टेड वर्जन ऑफ इस्लाम के, बिकॉज उनका मानता है कि जो ओरिजिनल इस्लाम है वो कभी किसी के साथ गलत नहीं होने देगा, राइट. ये जो आजकल लोग कह रहे हैं ऐसा नहीं करना वैसा नहीं करना, इस्लाम में लिखा है, तो उन्होंने कहा ऐसा इस्लाम में कहीं नहीं लिखा था. ये लोगों ने अपने आप करप्टेड वर्जन बनाया, लिखा कुछ था, लोगों को बताया कुछ क्या. ठीक है, ओके. So she was against that as well, against the corrupted version of Islam too, and asserting that women fulfilling the potential as human beings could display the glory of Allah. बेगम रुकैया हुसैन ने कहा कि भाई देखो, चाहे उनको कोई कुछ भी कहता हो, बिना डरे बहुत ही करेजसली लिखती गई, ठीक है, जिससे कि वो women को फ्रीडम प्रोवाइड करा सके. एंड शी बिलीव्ड दिस वुड कम बाय ब्रेकिंग ये जेंडर डिविजन ऑफ लेबर. ऐसा नहीं कि ये काम सिर्फ मेल्स कर सकते हैं, ये काम सिर्फ फीमेल कर सकते हैं. ऐसा करेंगे तो कभी भी हम वेमेन को इक्वालिटी नहीं प्रोवाइड करा पाएंगे. हमें हर एक छोटी छोटी चीज पे ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. So that's the chapter for you all. Come, let's discuss the question answers. पहला है, name some social evils prevailing in the Indian society in 19th century.
सती प्रथा, पर्दा सिस्टम, चाइल्ड मैरिज.
Yes. सती प्रथा, पर्दा सिस्टम, चाइल्ड मैरिज, फोर्ज्ड widowhood. ठीक है. Next is, who is known as the father of Indian Renaissance?
Raja Ram Mohan Roy.
Raja Ram Mohan Roy.
Raja Ram Mohan Roy, correct. Next is, when was the Brahmo Samaj founded?
1830.
1830, correct. Name the founder of the Pratna Samaj.
Bandharkar and R.G. Bandharkar and Mahadev Govind Ranadev.
Correct. जो ये बोल रहे हैं आंसर्स, एवरीबडी मस्ट बी एबल टू राइट. कुशाग्र, आंसर्स लिख रहे हो बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pratyush Pal, are you writing the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
As Arushi and Adrika, these girls I can see for the first time in the class. I don't think you guys have marked the answers. Please mark the answers and complete your work.
मैम,
Yes.
हम जो सिविक्स का लास्ट चैप्टर गया था उसके भी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नहीं करे.
Civics की लास्ट क्वेश्चन चैप्टर क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नहीं किए हमने. 8C
हम कर लिए.
we have completed and they are checked as well. देव आर्य, अगर आपको याद हो तो आपने क्लास में झूठ बोला था, मैं कॉपी नहीं लाया हूँ. याद है आपको?
मैम कर लिए,
मैम
बस उसमें
चेक
से
नहीं हुआ था।
मैम आया नहीं
हाँ,
था क्वेश्चन।
क्या बेटा?
मैम चेक नहीं
मैम बस
हुआ।
हाँ,
आ नहीं रहा था कहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, वो आप बता दीजिए।
कौन सा वाला? वो ऑप्शन पहले ये डिस्कस कर लेते हैं, वो बाद में डिस्कस कर लेंगे, ठीक है?
ओके।
लेट्स डू दिस वन फर्स्ट. नेक्स्ट इज नेम द फाउंडर ऑफ प्रार्थ. समझ हो गया. नेम द सोशल रिफॉर्मर हु रिप्रेजेंटेड हिंदुइज्म एज द at the World Parliament of Religions held at
And
Chicago.
Swami Vivekanand.
मैम स्वामी विवेकानंद.
Swami Vivekanand.
1993.
Swami Vivekanand, 1993. Correct. Who gave the clarion call back to Vedas?
स्वामी
Swami
दयानंद
Dayanand.
सरस्वती।
मैम स्वामी नाथ.
Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Next is, who was Ramakrishna Paramahansa?
Ramakrishna
The
Paramahansa was
saint
a
praying.
saint, was another significant social religious reformer of the 19th century.
Okay. Next is, yeah. Name a book written by Pandita Ramabai.
मैम है
मैम
हाई
हाई
high
कास्ट
कास्ट
हिंदू
हिंदू
वुमेन.
वुमन.
High caste Hindu women. Correct. Who was the founder of MAO College?
मैम सर सैयद अहमद खान.
मैम सर सैयद अहमद खान.
Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Next question is, who was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar?
मैम डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर was an Indian jurist, scholar, Bahujan political leader, and Buddhist revivalist who was chief architect of Indian Constitution.
Correct, Anukalp. Very good. ठीक है. Next is, you can also add that he had worked tirelessly for the upliftment of SCs and STs. ठीक. Next is, who was Tarabai Shinde?
Ma'am, she was a feminist
Tarabai
activist
एक्टिविस्ट.
who protested
Wait,
patriarchal
wait,
caste
raise
in
your
19th
hands and then
century.
answer. Yes, Garv, you tell me the answer.
Ma'am, Tarabai Shinde was the feminist activist, ma'am, who protested partially and caste in 19th century.
Yeah, what?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes.
Yes, Ram.
Tarabai Shinde was a feminist activist who protested patriarchy and caste in the 19th century India. She is known for her published works, Stree Purush Tulna,
ठीक है.
originally published in Marathi in 1882.
Next is, mention any two steps taken by Ruqayya Shekhawat Hussain to uplift women.
Ma'am, to raise popular Ma'am, page number 79.
Yes, and Vesha, tell us the answer.
Ma'am, first she wrote a number of articles and stories in Bengali about like upliftment of women, and she also criticized oppressive social customs forced upon women.
Ma'am, she established the first school aimed primarily at Muslim girls, which still existed today.
Very good. ठीक है, चलो ये हो गया आपका. एक और स्टेप बताओ. एक तो स्कूल स्टैब्लिश किया था, और क्या किया उन्होंने?
Writings like Sultana's Dream.
What?
Ma'am advocated women's rights through writings like Sultana's Dream.
ठीक है, करें. चलो, लेट्स गो टू द लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. लॉन्ग भी डिस्कस कर लें 8C, या पहले शॉर्ट करोगे?
Discuss कर लीजिए.
Shall we discuss long as well, 8C?
Ma'am, only short.
8C, if you want to discuss, if you want to keep it like do the short ones only first, please raise your hands. If you don't want to discuss the long ones, please raise your hands. If you want to short only first. Okay, hands down. If you want to do long questions and answers in the class to right now, please raise your hands. If you want to discuss long question answers, please raise your hand. 8C. Hurry up. चलो, आई थिंक हमारे पास वोटिंग्स रही है वो इक्वली लग रही है। दो लोगों ने कहा कि नहीं करने चाहिए, दो लोगों ने कहा कि करने चाहिए। बाकी प्रत्युष, आई थिंक 3 हैंड्स वर रेज। प्रत्युष ने भी हैंड रेज किया था। डिस्कस ही कर लेते हैं लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी ना। चलो, पहला क्वेश्चन, डिस्क्राइब द कंडीशंस ऑफ इंडिया इन द फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ 19th century. Mention to social evils still prevailing in India. बताइए। उज्जवल अग्रवाल, tell us the answer. नचिकेत तिवारी, yes, Chitransh, tell the answer, please.
Politically, economically, socially, and culturally, India was lying prostrate before the crafty rule of the company. Orthodoxy, superstitions, idol worship, meaningless rituals, sacrifices, and irrational modes of worship had made our religion look ridiculous. The priests were exploiting the ignorant masses in the name of religion, and many more.
Ma'am, can you repeat the answer?
Chitransh just said the answer, beta. It's given on the very first page. That India was lying prostrate to the crafty rule of the Britishers and this and that. आप ये बताओ, दो कौन से सोशल इविल्स हैं जो अभी भी इंडिया में हैं, अभी भी एग्जिस्ट कर रहे हैं?
Ma'am, infant, ma'am,
मैम
infanticide
चाइल्ड
and girl infanticide and caste system.
यार, कास्ट सिस्टम तो मान सकते हो, इन्फेंटिसाइड तो अभी इलीगल हो गया बेटा।
हम लव भी कई लोग करते हैं।
चलो, बात तो ये भी ठीक ही है वैसे। Next is discuss the main ideas of Raja Ram Mohan Roy and his contribution for reforming the society.
मैम पेज नंबर 70।
पेज नंबर से, अरे वाह कृषव, क्या बात है। हाँ जी, अन्वेषा, डू यू नो द आंसर?
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell us the answer.
Raja Ram Mohan Roy prohibited. Raja Ram Mohan Roy started the Brahmo Samaj, which prohibited all forms of idolatry and sacrifice, and believed in Upanishads and forbade its members from criticizing other religious practices. And Raja Ram Mohan Roy also contributed in the abolition of.
Okay. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, मतलब इसमें और आंसर और पॉइंट्स भी ऐड हो सकते हैं हमेशा. योर आंसर इज वेरी शॉर्ट फॉर लॉन्ग आंसर्स. यस चित्रांश, यू वांट टू ऐड समथिंग? Chitrans, you want to add something to the answers? Sure. Next is write a short note on Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar's work for the upliftment of women and depressed classes. A short note on Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar's work for the upliftment of women and depressed classes.
May I tell?
Yes, Aram, please tell.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Ishwar
can I?
Chandra Vidyasagar's work for the upliftment of women and depressed classes. First, he he played a significant role in making the marriage of widow lawful. Second, he opened a number of schools for girls. Third, he had to fight with the orthodox section of the Indian society for all these reforms. And he worked with great courage of conviction and fortitude of his character.
चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ईश्वर विद्यासागर के वर्क पे कौन आंसर देगा भाई, बताओ. आदित्य कुमार. बस तो इरम ने
What,
सही
ma'am?
बता दिया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट वर द बेसिक आइडियल्स और फिलोसफी ऑफ रामकृष्ण मिशन. ये तो एज इट इज दे रखे हैं पॉइंट्स बुक में. आद्या भाटिया बताइए. व्हाट वर द बेसिक आइडियल्स और फिलोसफी ऑफ रामकृष्ण मिशन.
The ideals of philosophy of the Ramakrishna mission are: first, all religions are true, they all lead to the same God. Second, serving human beings is the same as serving God. Love of God is the love of human beings. Third, developments in science and technology may be appreciated, but we must safeguard India from the materialistic influence of the West. Fourth, untouchability, rigid caste system, and superstitions are bad. Fifth, women should have equal rights and respect in society.
Correct. Next question is, discuss Sir Sayyid sorry. When and by whom was the Arya Samaj founded? Discuss its work and in the field of reforms. Aditya Kumar, tell us the answer.
Okay, ma'am. When and whom was Arya Samaj founded? They discuss its work by education and social reform.
Answer ही बताओ बेटा.
Wait a minute, ma'am. Just telling.
बताइए आंसर.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Iram, please tell.
Swami Dayanand founded the Arya Samaj at Bombay in 1875.
Again.
Ma'am, then the points which are given in ideals and works of Arya Samaj that we have to give.
Exactly.
Okay, ma'am.
Next is,
Ma'am, all the
discuss Sir Syed Ahmad Khan's work for the upliftment of Muslims. बताओ बेटा. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan's work for the upliftment of Muslims.
Ma'am.
Yes, Aditya.
Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was an ardent social religious reformer amongst the Muslims in India. He remained loyal to the British even during the Rising of 1857. In 1864, Ahmed Khan founded the Translation Society, later known as Scientific Society at Aligarh. It published Urdu translation of English books of science.
ठीक है, मतलब a lot could be written from the same paragraph. ठीक है, you have to write major 5 points. Next question is, discuss the contribution of Jyoti Rao Phule for the upliftment of the lower castes. नचिकेत तिवारी, बताइए आंसर.
मैम पेज नंबर 75.
ओके कृषभ, थैंक यू. नचिकेत तिवारी.
मैम कैन आई टेल?
यस कृषभ, बताइए.
In 1873, he wrote a book named Gulamgiri.
गुलामगिरी. गुलामगिरी.
Jyotiba
बताओ बेटा कृषभ. Can anyone else tell us the answer of this question? Contribution,
मैम
contribution of Jyoti Rao Phule for upliftment of lower castes.
Ma'am,
मैम
I
कैन आई
tell?
टेल?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Samar.
Ma'am, the first point can be Phule argued that the Muslims were the Aryans were foreigners who came from outside the subcontinent and defeated the subjugated the truth of children of the country, those who had lived here from before the coming of the Aryans. The second point could be, according to Phule, the upper caste had no right to their land and power. In reality, the land belonged to indigenous people, the so-called low caste. And the third point, Phule claimed that before Aryan rule, there existed a golden age when warrior peasants tilled the land and ruled the Maratha countryside in just and fair way.
Correct. Correct answer. Right. Next we have second last answer. Explain the role of B.R. Ambedkar in uplifting Dalits or untouchables. Pratishtha, बताइए. The role of B.R. Ambedkar in uplifting Dalits or untouchables. Pratyush Pal, you can also tell the answer.
मैम मैं
Yes, Naman.
मैम द आंसर इज ऑन मैम पेज 78. मैम फाइट अगेंस्ट अनटचेबिलिटी. मैम लास्ट 2 पैराग्राफ.
Okay. ठीक है. Next question is, okay. The last question is, write few lines about Pandita Ramabai and Ruqayya Shekhawat Hussain as social reformers. अभी हमने पढ़ा है, right? Hello, kids, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Right, so ये अभी हमने पढ़ा था, so remaining part रुकैया शेखावत हुसैन का वहीं पंडिता रामाबाई के बारे में दिया है. From there only you have to write 5 lines about each. 5 points about each. ठीक है? Is it clear, children? So now chapter 7 of history is completed in all the 3 sections. Correct, kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Now please understand it keep your work completed by Saturday anyhow, because I think the schools will now most probably open from Monday onwards. As per the weather conditions, I think online classes will continue till Saturday, but from Monday, I think the schools will reopen. And as soon, like on the day the school will reopen, you will be submitting your notebooks, not only of my subject, but of the other subjects as well. So please understand that keep your work updated, keep your work completed. ठीक है? Yes,
Ma'am,
Arun? हाँ जी.
ma'am, ma'am, Dave is right, ma'am. We have not completed the civics fifth chapter question answer.
So एक काम करते हैं, अभी तो मीटिंग इज अबाउट टू बी ओवर इन 3 minutes. कितने क्वेश्चंस नेम है हमारे?
Ma'am, we have done not a single question, ma'am. We have done exercise.
Then we'll do one thing. Tomorrow in our lecture, if we'll see how the lectures would be tomorrow. So we'll discuss in any of one of the lectures and we'll complete them. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Or I will try to send you the question answers in the group so that you can complete the question answers. Discuss हम कर लेंगे. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. यहाँ पे 8B का कौन कौन है? नमन है और समर. समर, आपका काम पूरा है सिविक्स का?
मैम सिविक्स?
हम्म.
यस मैम.
I'm
Last
doing
chapter.
last time.
Last chapter.
मैम प्लीज वेट अ सेकंड.
Yes, ma'am.
Samar, so you can please share, make a PDF of that and share with me. ठीक है? And if you have completed of history as well, then share that too. Okay? Well, complete your work then. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
और
Ma'am, we have I have to send the work last chapter work of civics.
हाँ, civics and of history as well.
Okay, ma'am.